Yeah. You're such a retard.
I know. Stop. Oh, crap.
See why I don't walk in the snow piles? They're fine.
Snow piles. Run!
They're very deadly right now. Aren't you wet yet? Or does it all just slide off?
That was really cool.
Does it all slide off?
Yeah. It's no angel.
It's not going to slide off if you sit there.
That is a crappy snow angel. Don't look at
That looks like a crime scene. You're like, oh. This summer we're going to get chalk and you're going to be a crime scene person where you just like trace your body.
forward.
Aren't you cold yet?
I can't. Okay, can you like stop videotaping me?
Oh, it's weird.
It's a bird. Oh, weird dude.
What?
Weird dude. Well, I'm gonna jump in the snow when whoever that is walks by.
Okay.
Don't look bad.
You don't look bad.
I'll play this song with so much fun.
Aren't you cold yet?
No.
Oh,
Is this your yard or is there a yard?
That's my yard.
Playing in the snow is so much fun. Guys, look out the window and Damien. I found it.
Good job. Don't throw it at me. I have your camera. Waiting for Ashley.
Go back to my tree.
There's a swans man. Waiting for Ashley.
Cold.
Waiting for Ashley to pass me. Waiting for Ashley. Where she goes, nobody knows,
This
but...
is really cold. This is my last jump, okay? Turn it off, turn it off, turn it off.
Okay.